Get strong.
Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. As you can see, I am about to devour. Woo! It's hot. This patty and cookie bread in 1 minute. 1 minute. It's very hot. I'm just gonna try my best and do this. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Are you counting? It's open. Very hot. Mm-mm.
60 seconds now.
What is that?
60 seconds gone.
Mm-hmm.
So you fail a challenge.
I was told that 60 seconds already gone, so I just actually made these small bites within about 1 minute. Can you imagine that? Anyways, I'm gonna continue eating. Stay tuned. See, I have to actually separate the patty from the cocoa bread because I never usually rather put the patty or place the patty in the cocoa bread like that and eat it. My stomach really can't actually survive if that's a better word to use. I usually separate them and I it's a piece of it. It's that one. It's very hot. I thought this is something that is not for the faint heart. Look at that. What am I doing? Look at that. Look at that. It's very hot. I was trying to consume this within 1 minute. I guess I will have to practice. But it's a good attempt and the patty is tasting delicious as usual. It's beef. Good. Patty from the #1 patty company in Jamaica, Tasty. Cocoa bread is from that company as well. It's nice, it tastes buttery and fluffy. But from everything, I just cannot consume the patty together with the cocoa bread. I have to separate them just like that. Comment and tell me if you eat your patty and cocoa bread just like me. Separate them, or you actually insert it in the bread like that and eat it. Please comment. I'm enjoying it. Hot man. And when I say hot, it is really hot. This thing has actually burned my mouth several times in the past. It's not a patty to play around with, especially when it is just removed from the oven. And when you buy patties at our local patty store, tasty, juicy patty, especially tasty, I cannot attest to this. You have to eat tasty patties with care. They are extremely hot. I'm not talking spicy. I'm talking hot, as in hot. In terms of the temperature. Anyways, before I leave as usual, please go over our business page and check out our website. We offer a wide array of natural skincare products, from your natural coco shea body butter to natural skincare soap. Our website is jacaribhealthyglow.com. jacaribhealthyglow.com. Have a wonderful evening. Please remember again to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.